Good afternoon, everyone. It's Linda here from Banjo's Beat House with our weekly Facebook Live, and I'm back making projects this week. Finally had a chance to catch up on unpacking a lot of stock that's arrived and getting it out onto the shop floor. There is still some more that's turned up today that I am working on, so hopefully we'll get that up in the next couple of days. But there's lots of fun things for you to discover in the new products and back in stock sections of the website. But today I have a kind of sentimental project. So my brother is getting remarried in, I think it's 2 weeks' time. And we will actually be closed on that Saturday. I believe it's the 6th of December. I should have looked that up before I went live, but I will correct myself if I'm wrong. We do have that posted up on the website and has been out in recent newsletters, but I haven't put it out on Facebook. So we will be closed that particular Saturday. So just plan some shopping around that if you need to. But yeah, so any web orders from that Friday afternoon will go out on the following Tuesday, and yeah, shop will be closed on that particular Saturday. But my niece, God love her, approached me a few weeks ago at a family function and said it'd be kind of fun to have something to match her new sister, as she'll call the other one. So for those of you who don't know, my brother's new partner has two children, and my brother has two children. So all around the same age, hence why I'm now auntie to four instead of two, and have considered myself such for a while. But one niece asked if I could make some jewelry that could be shared with her new sister and with my brother's new partner. So that is what I'm working on today, just making them all something that's got a similarity, but also speaks to their individual traits. So yeah, let's tip you guys down after that long-winded spiel and have some fun. So sorry about my long-windedness. It's just, yeah, where my head's at today. So in front of me, I have a couple of things. A gold chain in stainless steel that is already made up, ready to go. Some check drukes out of my stash, and these cute little butterflies I got in as a sample to look at some potential options. These are beautiful stainless steel, gold plated. They're kind of just over the price range I wanted to bring in, but I'm going to turn them into jewelry for the family. So I'm doing earrings for the girls with some of their favorite colors. And for my brother's new partner, I am just doing a simple little clear bead, so it's a bit more universal. Okay, so we're going to be playing with our favorite looper tool. These guys will be back in stock shortly. The stock order is currently being packed. So as always, I've got my head pin with just sitting off onto the top, and we're just going to make our cut. I like to just put a bend back in that, so you're kind of coming out straight. Gives you a nice, clean, perfect eye. And we'll do the necklace one first. So I am picking up, and you'll see, whoops, of course I dropped it. I've got my loop going around in that way. I'm doing that so I create a figure eight. When I loop this way, which will curl that way, it just gives the bond a little bit more strength, and kind of protects it. If it does get tugged, it's going to pull in opposite directions, and there's less chance of it actually coming apart. So I'm just going to tighten that one down a little bit. So it's good to know how to use your round nose pliers and not completely rely on your looper tool. That said, it is still one of my favorite tools. So I've got a jump ring. So we're just doing our normal open. I'm going to attach one side straight to there, and then that's going to go onto my chain, and I'm going to use my loop on there to attach my butterfly. And if it doesn't all line up, then I will have to go find another jump ring, or I do a twist. We will figure that out in just a second when we see how this lines up. Yep. I will need to go get a jump ring. I don't have another one of those on my desk, and they're not accessible. So the plan will be jump ring to charm, and necklace is done. So really, really, really simple today. I wanted this to be simple because I am dealing with preteen girlies. Wanted something simple, not too heavy, in little pierced ears, not overly dangly, but they've been asking for dangly earrings, so trying to accommodate as many requests as I can, and giving them something that all has a cute little butterfly in it, as a little fun gift for the wedding. So I know by now everyone has received all of their advent boxes, which is amazing. I'm looking forward to you all having fun opening those from the 1st of December. We do still have 2 boxes left if you still want to join in the fun. I have one Luminous and one Christmas left in stock. So yeah, if you want to come and join in all of the fun starting on this 1st of December, there is still time to grab your advent box. So that's my purple beads done. I'm going to get all of my looping done in one go. Oops. You can see I get all the lovely gnarly bent head pins and things to work with, but doesn't actually stop me from working with them. And thankfully these drooks have nice big holes, so easily accommodating. And before you ask me the colors, they are out of a mixed sample bag I purchased for a bit of fun to have a variety of sizes and things to work with. So I don't know. I'm suspecting that's in the Lilla Vega family. This one, no idea. Okay, one more just to tighten up. Okay. And now I can attach charms. So I'm just grabbing my loop, making sure I've got it the right way. Looping on, and we'll see if this needs jump rings. Yeah, he's a little bit thicker than your standard charm, so I am actually going to need to find the jump rings. So bear with me. I should have tested one of these beforehand, but I didn't. Okay, one sec. Okay, found some jump rings. Means we can get everybody's pieces finished off today, which is good because it means I've got time to wrap everything. So, as always, just a gentle twist open, threading on different components. The advantage of this being on a jump ring now is I can also jump ring onto the ear hook without having to add any length potentially, or I've got the orientation right. I think it's more of a case I've got the orientation right. Yep. So I don't have to twist this part, which is great. So back of the ear hook, making sure my charm is facing forward so I don't have a backwards butterfly. So there we have our first little butterfly charm done. Oops, sorry, earring. Let's get our second one done. Whoops. Bead mat definitely would have made this easier than my cutting surface in terms of stopping things from rolling away. And whoops. Now you can see that one would be backwards. So he's going to face forward. Always easy to check before you close your ear hooks so you don't have to make them again. Not that it's hard to redo. Okay, so now we're on to the blue. Okay, get our ear hook. Whoops. Yep, we're facing forward. Oopsie. Sorry, all the jump rings are joined together, so just trying to find one to work with is a challenge. And we're joining again. And twisting close. And he's not quite closed. That's better. Sometimes you just need to give it a extra little wiggle. Oops. And yes, we are facing forward. And that is all of our earrings done. I will quickly just finish off the necklace and I'm all done. So one thing ticked off my to-do list, if I can get a jump ring. There we go. So we have charm. So just as with the earrings, I like to make sure, because I know the person is right-handed, that my lobster is sitting on the right. So that is the front. And we can capture that there. Twist close again. And my cute little butterfly pendant, which does not want to drape over my hand. No, he really does not want to play ball today. Okay, cute little butterfly pendant is now all done. So he's ready. We have our cute little purple pair of butterfly earrings and then a blue butterfly earrings. So speaking to the two girls' favorite colors at the moment, a nice neutral for mum. But yeah, fun little butterflies that they can all share as a little treat for the upcoming family wedding. Um, so outside of the fact that obviously that's personal jewelry that I'm making for my family, it is a great way of showing you guys how you can use charms, simple loops to add a little beads, to add a little bit of depth and change up how charms look in earrings and a necklace, and that it is a very quick little fun way to make pieces, particularly as we head into the festive season. And we have lots and lots of handmade things that we'll be working on to give friends and family and work colleagues, etc. So I hope that has inspired you guys to try something simple even, or to get you in the mood for making some Christmas presents. That is it for me for this week. I will be back next week with another fun Facebook Friday, and I will see you guys then. Have a wonderful, safe weekend. Bye for now.